friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this beautiful pocket. This is day 70 of 100 days of pockets, and this is a horizontal belly band pocket. I created a tag today as well, as you can see. Please be sure to check out my description box if you would like the download to the instruction booklet that shares how to create each one of these pockets. I want to let you know that I am so glad that you are here with me today, and I truly appreciate it. All right, today you're going to need a strip of paper 1.5 to 2 inches wide, and you're going to need a base page or a journal page, and then of course glue or double-sided tape and some decorative elements. Once again, I'm going to use a master board as my base page, and I decided I'd go ahead and use also a master board for my horizontal belly band, and I'm trying to figure out where do I want to put it, and I think I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to go a little bit high. We usually center them, but it doesn't really matter. I just didn't want to block this image of these students here. So you're going to put glue on either edge. So let's get that done now. And now you're going to glue that down onto your page. Like I said, mine's a little bit high, but I'm choosing that just so I don't block this fun image. I can bring it down a little further, like that. That'll work. All right, my friends, I want to dress this up just a little bit before I add a tag inside of the belly band. I'm going to add this lace to the bottom part of my base. To do that, I am going to add this fabric tack here. And while that is drying, I'm going to do the same thing to this tag that I'm going to end up using in the pocket. So I'm just going to glue it on like that. And I wanted to mention to you also, I'm going to embellish this tag with one of my paper dolls from the paper doll collection that I created, which is available in my Etsy shop, just so that you know. And there are also freebies available in my Facebook group, which is Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. 4 freebies, one for each week of the month of October. But I wanted to let you know, when I do freebies in my group, I generally, if it's going along with a collaboration, I generally start to release the freebies 2 weeks early. Just so that you guys know that, just for your information. And speaking of collaboration, I am doing a collaboration with the Paper Dolls. Doing a Paper Dolls collaboration with my friend Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl, and that is going to be in the month of October. Please join us. It is an open collab, so you can grab the freebies or grab the kit or grab both. And then you can join in any day of the week that you want, post your makes, share it with us. If you'd like to post them in my Facebook group, I would love to see them. If you do end up joining and making a video or posting to Instagram or whatever, please just tag me and Jen. That would be great. We would love that. That way we get to see you. But then also people know that we're the ones hosting the collaboration. I'm going to go ahead and trim the excess here, and then once I'm done trimming the excess, I'm going to adhere a paper doll to this tag. I couldn't round my corners because my corner rounder broke. I am planning on getting a new one, so that'll be handled shortly, but it is not handled yet. All right, we're going to plan on putting this beauty right here, and since it is going on to what's it going on to? It's going on to lace. I want to use my fabric tack. She is very glamorous. Probably, I think, from the 40s. I'm going to say 1940s. She looks fantastic in her gorgeous teal or aquamarine dress. Now this tag is not completely dry, which is fine. We're going to move the tag up here. We're going to bring this back over here so that I can finish embellishing it, I'd like to go ahead and embellish the belly band. I have chosen some trim that has some different shades of blue and aqua in it, so I'm hoping that will go nicely with her dress that she's wearing. And I'm going to put a little bit of that down here as well. I think that'll look nice. I'm going to spread it around with my finger a little bit in hopes that it doesn't seep through the ribbon. I don't like the way that it looks when that happens. And sometimes we just can't help it. I know that. But if I can help it, then I'm going to try to help it. All right, now I'm going to adhere some final embellishments, and I honestly want the bow up here, but for my brain, I just feel like something bigger should go on the bottom. I don't know, it's a balance thing for me. I'm not really sure. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put this absolutely delicious bow. Check it out. I got this in Happy Mail. And I think this is from my friend Christine of Kawaii Memo Love, but it could be from my friend Jen at Scrapbooks and Memories. And I'm sorry that I can't remember, but I love it so much. So that is going to go right down here. Hopefully it's centered. Oops, my hot glue gun is dripping a little. Oops. Okay, and now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it up here. Hopefully in the center. I think that's looking pretty nice. We've got it embellished. It's not too much, but I think it's enough, and I really, really like it. So let's go ahead and see. This is our tag. Very simple, but very pretty. I think that stuff does look nice together. Let's go ahead and slide her into our belly band. And there, look how cute that all looks when it's together. I love it. I love it so much. And actually the bow can help to, if this tag was going to slide down, this can help and act as a stop, if you will. So I'm in love with that. I think it's great. I really like how this turned out. I've enjoyed using up some of my master boards, and this was just a lot of fun to put this one together. It's a little bit different. I really like it. Well, my friends, please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis, and thanks for watching. See you soon.